Hi friends, I am down here beside a lovely retro table, but there's a major problem, right? So these two I was able to get in to screw in. This one does not screw in. So my husband, he came up with a 5-minute fix.
Okay, so
let's show you his 5-minute fix.
So basically, these are all, the holes are threaded, and then I take the screw in. However, the threading is gone. It's, it's probably deteriorate over time. The threading on this side is okay. Take this guy out.
Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it immensely. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.